Assalamu alaikum. Hi friends. Last time we studied how to make this M25 concreted site. In the similar way, here we will see how M20 will be made. So the mixed ratio for M20 is 1 is to 1.5 is to 3. Any same content cement, sand and aggregate. When you have this 4 head pans of cement, so for the sand you will be having almost 1.5 times of the cement. That means 6 head pans of sand, and then aggregate will be around 3 times of the cement, so around 12 head pans of aggregate. And as per IS 456 for M20, we can see here is a water cement ratio of almost 0.5 percentage. Thank you for watching this video.